Welcome to our quick guide on Cielo Breez Edge Pro. In this video, we'll walk you through the intuitive on-device controls of Breez Edge Pro Mini Split Thermostat. Let's start with the icons you'll see on the idle screen. Time, indoor temperature, weather, and mode indicator, which shifts colors to match your selected mode. Blue for cool, dark green for fan, brown for dry, light green for auto, orange for heat, and gray when off. Now, let's explore the control screen, which provides everything you need at a glance. You'll see mode, indoor humidity, indoor temperature, temperature set point, weather, menu, and presets. Adjusting the temperature set point of your mini split. To adjust the set point of your mini split, tap the set point button. Use the up or down arrows on the screen to set your desired temperature. Changing the mode. To change the mode, tap the mode button on the control screen. A list of available modes of your mini split will appear. Simply select your desired mode. Changing the presets. Tap the presets button to access pre-configured temperature settings like home, away, sleep, or pets. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Checking the weather. Simply tap the weather button for real-time updates and a quick look at the weekly forecast. Just make sure your address is added in the Cielo Home app to access this feature. Other features and settings. All the device features and settings are just a tap away. Simply tap the menu button in the center of the screen to access everything you need to adjust your mini split operation according to your preferences. You are now ready to make the most of your Breez Edge Pro. For more information, visit support.cieloweigel.com.